Hello, style lovers, and welcome to Eloquere London. This is Petra coming to you right here from the heart of London. Today, I have prepared for you a very short but very sweet Christmas gift guide. It consists of my new amazing collection of t-shirts that I have created. So, let's go right into it. I'm going to start you off with one of my favorite designs. Sorry, it's a bit wrinkled, but I've been wearing it every day. No music, no soul. I would buy this for someone who is a music lover, a member of your family, one of your friends. It's got this amazing red electric guitar. It looks beautiful, rocky, young, and very, very vibrant. The next one I'm going to show you is the Urban Icon. This one is for New York lovers. As you can see, we have the taxi from New York, and it looks like New York in the back. I'm sure you have friends who love the city very much, and I think they would enjoy it. On the website, you would find this in black, white, gray, and soft yellow. Have a look and choose the one that is more suitable for you. My whole collection is inspired by the 70s and 80s. I have a fascination about 70s fashion and the whole aesthetic of the time. So another piece that is really appropriate for New York lovers is this one. It's got the New York subway of the 70s. You will notice that the colors are really relevant to the subway of the time. It's got these vibrant colors, and also it contains a very important date right here. Guess what it is? This one is for the people who really, really love the aesthetic of the 70s, and I'm sure they will enjoy it very, very much. And from New York, I'm going to take you all the way to Italy. This one right here has got one of the most iconic pieces of the Italian culture, the Fiat 500. It's a beautiful piece. I've got the white one right here, and it says bold, confident, and unforgettable, like the person who is going to receive it. If they're Italy lovers or beautiful car lovers, they will love this one very much. Another one of my favorite designs is this one. A simple gesture, a powerful no. If your mom was a hippie in the 70s, she knows this very well. I would buy this for someone who's more of a rebellious character. We've got a sign of peace, and this would be a great gift for a person that likes to play by their own rules. The last piece I'm going to show you today is really personal. It's got a mixtape. So in the 80s, I was an absolute freak that would sit down and record songs from the radio like crazy. People who grew up in the 80s know about this very well. So I created this one with a mixtape where the tape is just outside the cassette, and it's a very funny story, the fact that we would get a pen and try and roll the tape back into the cassette. Your parents will probably know about this. So this women's collection, it is available in a lot of colors. All the t-shirts are available in white, black, and gray, but some of the designs are also available in yellow, maroon. A couple of pieces are also available in a beautiful and very soft girly pink. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me your comments in the section below. I will see you very soon. Thank you very much for watching. Mwah.